So we're going to go over a couple things in this video. The first is how to change the video on the home page. Let's take a look right here. So you see the video right there. So what we'll do is we'll edit this page by clicking Edit Page up at the top when we're logged in. And then we're going to need a video. You can actually see right here, this iframe is what we're going to manipulate. So what we're going to do is we'll go to YouTube, and then I'm going to click on this Share tab. And you can actually see this whole iframe information right here. All we need is this area in between the two quotes on source. So see where it says src equals? Just going to start at that first quotation and go to the end. We don't actually need to copy the quotations. You'll copy that information. Go back into here. You see this same thing right here where it says src. It's going to paste in the same information in between those two quotes. Always the same so we don't notice a difference. Then we just want to click Update. Then when we view the page, you can see the videos right there. Same video, figured no reason to change it for the tutorial. Next is how to add a slide and make areas on a slide clickable. So what we want to do is click up on the top here and go to Dashboard. We're going to go down to the Revolution slider on the left. From here we're going to go Edit Slides. So you can see the slides that have already been created. So hypothetically we'll create a new slide. And this will ask you to put an image. This essentially will be the background for the slide. So I already have some stuff over here. So all you have to do is grab the file and drag it into it. And then you go down and go Insert into Post. So now you got that little area. It's your background for your slide. And then we're going to go Edit Slide. Yes. We forgot one little step here. Let's delete that slide. It's actually a little smaller than the area. It has to be the same size as the slider. You look here on the slider settings, it shows that it's 940 by 777. Or, I'm sorry, 960 by 300. So, if you want to make a new background, that's the size that it needs to be. So, let's try this again. We'll go Edit Slides, New Slide, and then I have a file over here. It's one of the ones we've already made, but it'll work. Make sure it's set to full size, and Insert into Post. Then we'll go Edit Slide. So if we wanted to make a certain area of it a link, we'd add a layer, or add an image layer. We'll drag the file in that we want to be our new layer. And we'll insert into Post. Normally I would just have the background and then put these over it, but for this example we already had images on this background. So let's just cover this one up. No one will be the wiser that it was even there. And then all you have to do is go over to here. You have image 1. And you have the image link right here. You can put in whatever you want. Hypothetically just put in Google. I think we need the HTTP in front of it. We'll go Update Slide. Now if we go back and view the site, go to the last slide, one we made. You see this area right here is a little link. You can click it. And I must have put the link in incorrectly. Let's try just without that. Oh, that's why. I see what I did. It needs to be HTTP, not HHTTP. This is TTP. Update slide. Refresh the page. Go backwards. Haha. And then we're at Google. So it's just the kind of way that you do it. You change other things about it. Like all the other slides kind of have a fade effect. So up here is where you decide the transition. You can play with it, see how you like different ones. I prefer just to set them all to fade. And then every time after you do something to actually update your changes, you want to go update slide. And that should cover all of these two issues.